Hey everyone, I'm still kind of tired. I didn't feel like looking for my red. I tried to fish it out. I'm just not well enough to be going through all my stuff to find my red NYX pencil, to cherry. So I had a little sample of, I think this is the Benefit. Yeah, Benefit RSVP, so that's what I put. And I decided to just kind of like go across and do these colors, the darker red, the brown, and the gold. And then next time it's going to be the orange, red, orange. That's like a white gold, and that's like a gold gold. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I put some of that red on the, I think I put too much, but I put some of that red on my, gravity hates me. She who drops things. Now it's all over my face, look. I tried so hard. Anyway. So let's get that in. Oh my goodness, what a mess. I'm gonna have to redo my foundation now. Oh wow. Okay. Now let's go into the brown color. See I used that dark red and I'm gonna use that dark brown now. Yeah, I was still not feeling 100%, but I've been dying to play with this fire, and so yeah, there's the dark red, the dark brown. I was getting into that. I hope it's, I think my brush is too big. Let me try this. The only thing I don't like about these, they got these little spaces. Alright, and I just put that in there as the highlight color, and go back over it with the brown to blend it in. And I'm just gonna use black liner mascara, clean up this mess, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I don't know what this sign is. I don't know if this is Aries. I'm not into horoscopes, so I don't know what this is, but this is the one I used of the fire. It is a purple, it's a burgundy with gold shimmer and purple shimmers in it. It's really pretty, but I had a hard time getting, product out. It's too sheer, but it's really pretty, very glittery, like a burgundy, but a glittery, softer burgundy. So of course I used the fire for my cheeks, but it was so orange, I didn't want to put that on my nose, so I went ahead and used the Written in the Stars. I used this one, and then I just used the Berry shimmer blush from Wet n Wild, and that's what I did. Oh my God, I no matter how much I fix this, there's always black going under my eyes. So yeah, I really I wanted to do a video. I'm still not feeling 100%, but I really wanted to do the fire look from the Wet n Wild Zodiac collection. So yeah, so that's the look, and next time I'll do the orangey red, that coppery color, and that gold color that's in the palette. So I'm gonna do the other side next time. So yeah, so